Hi friends, so you might be wondering, why am I starting a recipe video in my car? Well, I actually had to sneak out of my house quickly because it is my husband's birthday today and I am making a double chocolate banana bread for him. He's actually not feeling that great, so I am quickly sneaking out to get a couple of the ingredients and we'll get baking. Let's get Sometimes birthday plans don't go as planned, but you gotta make the most of it, right? With my husband being sick, I was determined to cheer him up with this gluten and egg-free banana bread. Check out the full recipe in the description, but here's what you'll need. Tapioca, millet, sorghum flours as your flour base, cacao powder, baking soda, salt, xanthan gum for the lift, sugar, unsalted butter, bananas, milk, vanilla extract, lemon juice, and as many chocolate chips or chunks as your heart desires. You'll also find the vegan substitute in the description. If you find your batter too thick, just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, bake for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and voila! Then it was time to celebrate my husband. Even though he wasn't feeling well, we still wanted to say thank you, we love you.
Daddy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
And now go bake the yumminess for someone you love. Until the next time, happy baking. Bye.
And then on the other side it says sus. Like, warm it up because it's
Yeah, you can warm it up.
Do you want to warm up yours, Sasha?
Right now.